Okay guys, so this is part 2 of my slime. Let me go get it. Okay, so I just got it. Now let's mix it and see if it actually worked.
Hey guys, did you have...
So I've been mixing it for a few minutes now. Hold on, is it gonna focus? I think it's focused. I honestly don't think it worked. It's actually not slime. So, yeah. So sorry if y'all did it. That's a fail. But come back for another video. Bye.